others. Go on, the siren.
All right, looks like a clean start. Everyone's away. Ray Monday on his roof in the second point. He's got a bit of vantage point. All right, we've got Josh Payne out in the lead, closely followed by Matt Griffen, Glenn Benetti, Chris Sturdy up from 6th into 4th place right now. And Nick Gillett right behind him in 5th. So Josh Payne coming out of the tabletop, lands it cleanly, Matt Griffen also. And Benetti jumping a little long but safe. Payne's probably got about 0.3, 0.4 of a second of a gap over Griffen at the moment.
Yeah. Single
Doubling those stutters there. Through the S's, Griffen closes right up through the S's then. Well, Jacob James is a big mover now, walking up from 9th into 5th place. Chris Sturdy's dropped back a couple of spots into 6th. Andrew Gillett in 4th place. So Josh Payne in through the S's now. Matt Griffen less than half a second behind him. Chris Sturdy now. Making the quick with Scotty Jones there. Both up in the extra car. Up racing for position now. No staggered starts in this one. See them on the track is the way they are running. So Josh Payne, your leader. Matt Griffen across the line now. Stretched out. All right, 1.8 seconds was the lead Josh Payne had over Matt Griffen that time around. Now Ducklight back to Andrew Gillett in 3rd. Jacob Stutton, 9th place. He's running in 4th now. Scotty Jones, 5th. Glenn Benetti must have had some trouble there, as he does again. Going over at the entry to the S's. Back in 6th place. Josh Payne still single doubling the triple stutters there. Clean through the S's. You've got just a bit less than the length of the straight lead. Now over Matt Griffen. Quiet on the driver's stand, please. The marshals are doing their best. Thank you, Scotty Jones. Josh Payne has got around past Scotty Jones on the track now. He's got a bit of a clear track in front of him before he makes the connection with Ray Monday. Got the length of the straight. Scotty Jones over in the S's. Marshall getting to that one. Thank you, Scotty. Matt Griffen through now for a clear 2nd place. Andrew Gillett just hitting the straight now. So Matt Griffen's got the straight and the sweeper. Gap between him and 3rd place. Now Josh Payne has got a good 6 to 8 second lead, I would suggest. Josh is around to the sweeper and heading over the tabletop as Matt Griffen crosses the loop, so he's well ahead now. We can put it in first mode, got this one in the bag, I would say, barring any kind of breakage of his car. Hasn't put a foot wrong all race. Staying clean in front. Last 10 seconds now, guys. Josh Payne will just have to complete this last half a lap And he will have taken the first leg of the four-wheel drive modified A-Main at the 2013 National Titles. So Chris Sturdy's already finished. Glenn Benetti's going to finish now. Josh Payne, the winner of leg one, four-wheel drive modified A-Main. Until we see the start of leg two of a four-wheel drive modified A-Main national title.
Of the car at all.
Josh Payne, the winner of the first main. 10 seconds, you're in the hands of Alico.
Drivers, go on the siren.
I didn't like to say anything till we got through the first turn, but so far it's clean. Josh Payne stretching the legs of the Yokomo B-MAX out in front. Over the double, hotly pursued by Matt Griffen. Glenn Benetti up over the hill now. Chris Sturdy hot on the heels of Glenn Benetti. Jump from 6th up to 4th again. A great start from Chris Sturdy there. Put himself in contention here. We've got Josh coming around that tabletop. Nicely, Matt just touching the front edge. No harm done from Matt Griffen then. So Josh Payne. Single double through the starters. Oh, throws it sideways through the second of the S's. Really having a crack at putting down some fast times and opening up a good lead here. Giving himself a bit of a buffer. So on the track we have Josh Payne coming through the S's, Matt Griffen, Glenn Benetti, Chris Sturdy, Chris Bosic, Andrew Gillett, Scotty Jones, Matthew Prinner, Ray Monday and Jacob Staines. They are your top 10. Chris Sturdy, thank you for addressing that. That little error there from Chris Sturdy, just touching the back of Glenn Benetti, has allowed Chris Bosic to enjoy the fruits of the third place, for about a third of a lap. Before he pumped it up through the starters, and he's allowed Glenn Benetti. So status quo has been returned. Josh Payne in the lead, Matt Griffen, Glenn Benetti, Chris Sturdy, Scott Jones, Chris Bosic, Andrew Gillett, Matty Primer, Ray Monday, and Jacob Staines. All right, Chris Bosic roll there in the S's. So the real race here is for third place between Glenn Benetti and Jacob Sturdy. So Jacob Sturdy? Chris Sturdy? And Tony Mr. So Glenn Benetti, Chris Sturdy. Glenn, come over the tabletop now. Both clear it cleanly. Through the double apex. Over the centre double. Back double now for both drivers. Nice and clean. Accelerating up and over the hill. Single double over the starters for both drivers now. In through the S's. Glenn Benetti working hard to keep Sturdy at bay. Scott Jones just trailing off the back of them. Hoping he can make the connection and possibly squeeze through for third place. Oh, we've got a three train here. Monday, Primer, Staines and Bosic. They are all in the sights of our race leader, Josh Payne. Josh Payne has about a 2.5 second lead over Matt Griffen. Coming up over the hill now. Chasing all wide. Through the S's now. Chris Bosic, be aware, Payne's behind you now. Right, so the time is irrelevant other than to provide a buffer for Payne in 1. Matt Griffen has time up his sleeve in 2 from Glenn Benetti, just coming out of the S's now. Matt Griffen already at the top left-hand corner of the... Matt Griffen running outside the tight there after a stumble through the studders. Glenn Benetti not close enough at this stage to capitalise, plus he rolled it over himself, so he's fallen back to the clutches of Chris Sturdy now. Was clear in third place after the stop from Sturdy. The race is on again for third place now. Josh Payne out in front, through the S's and coming back down the straightaway again. Just entering the S's now. Matt Griffen. So at the start of the straight in the last 10 seconds of the race. First and second are through.
Bring it on, Pine!
First and second are through. Sturdy's in third now. Will he get through? He is through. Scotty Jones is still in fourth spot. Glenn Benetti has finished. Andrew Gillett has finished. Josh Payne, your race winner and new national champion for 2013 for four-wheel drive.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. Drivers, go on the siren.
Okay, so with no Josh Payne off one, it's Matt Griffen who was at the head of the field, and he's got a clean start. He's away well ahead of Glenn Benetti. Oh, all types of stuff happening at turn two, and we've got car 8. That's not car 8. That's car 6 of Chris 30. Sometimes driving 30 is the best way to do it. So cars 6, 3 and 7 lead at the moment, so that's 30 followed by Benetti and then Chris Bosic. Double. So Scott Jones also in the melee at the moment. Lacking some madness, but car 7 now off into second place. So good move by Bosic as Benetti made an error. So he's out in front, or he's still got tabletop by quite some margin, but managed to slow the car down. Good battle for third spot. Jones on Benetti. He's looking for an inside line after the mountain. Can't quite get there. Very narrow line on the approach to the chicane. And Jones looking very racy as he runs off the circuit. That's a very wide line to take. 30 once again, clearing the tabletop nicely. Better run on the downslope there. For Bosic. Bit of an inflated landing there for Bosic after the second double. By these guys' standards anyway. I was pretty happy with that earlier today. Matt Griffen has made his way up to 5th place. Using all of the track there. Sliding the car into the parabolic car. I don't see the F1 doing that. So Griffen looking for a way through on Jones. Over the second double. Oh, looks for an inside line, can't find it. Jones doing a good job of defending his position. 30 still leading this race. Distinct lack of Mexican waves from the crowd. Bosic in second, Benetti third, Jones fourth. Griffen just touches the back of Jones, looking for a way through. Jones driving a very wide car. I mean that figuratively, of course. Griffen looks for an inside line through the sweep. Oh, he's got it. Oh, Jones immediately comes straight back. So, untidy up the back end. Gillett looking for a way through on Griffen. Oh, he has one. So great move by Andrew Gillett. Very opportunist. He's up the course. Oh, he's taken the back of Scotty Jones, their teammates, and he just ran straight from the back of him. It's a Tony Longhurst moment, if ever I've seen one. Sturdy, driving, dare I say it, very sturdy out the front. Being an X-ray driver, he can see through things. X-ray in second as well, so the new X-ray car looking very competitive here. Yokomo having wrapped up the title, but it's all X-ray in this third final. Oh, it's 30. He's been anything But on that turn, he jumps back to third spot, so Chris Bodditt's going to lead this race. Let's see if Bodditt can withstand the pressure. 1,013 hectopascals of it, give or take. So still a great race for the top three. Griffen has found his way up in the fourth, and he actually looks within striking distance. Go for the second double. Oh! And Bodditt as well found himself in the loose stuff, and even Griffen's going to get back on in front of him. So Griffen up to third. Griffen will want to take this leg and make it second overall. He was second in the first two legs. The right-hand side of that car getting light for Benetti as he rounded Parabolica. 30, chasing hard at the moment. Good line. Oh, Griffen's rolled after the second double, and that's allowed Benetti to wall. So well clear of him, obviously, to keep leading. Bodditt leads 30. Sorry, doesn't. That's all right. It's Benetti who leads 30. 30 up on two wheels there. Did really well to maintain control of the car. Brakes hard over the mountain. We're into the final 10 seconds. I don't know if they will get through. This will be close. They do get through. First two are through. Number 7 takes third spot. That's Christopher Bodditt. Oh, and Benetti's made a mistake at the table drop. Cuts back across the infield to try and make up the position, but it's Chris 30. He's got the lead now. Just these last two cars go. Oh, just managed to do the second double, does Sturdy, and Benetti came on start, so